Welcome to Byte Further. Today's video is gonna show you how to fix iPad unavailable without computer or iTunes when you forgot the passcode and were locked out of your iPad. At the end of this video, I'll explain some frequently asked questions about unlocking iPad unavailable without computer or iTunes from users. So, please watch this video till the end. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, and share it via Facebook, Twitter, Quora, and so on to help others in need. Now, let's move on. So, you've forgotten the passcode, keep entering the wrong passcode too many times and end up with being stuck on an iPad unavailable screen or security lockout. Or, you're just doing an iOS update or restore and unexpectedly, iPad says iPad unavailable or shows security lockout message after it restarts. Now, you're searching how to fix iPad unavailable without a computer or iTunes. Maybe you don't have a computer available near you, be it a Windows PC or a macOS computer. Perhaps when you find that your unavailable iPad can't be connected to a computer with a known good USB cable. Or after being connected to the laptop or desktop, the unavailable iPad won't show up in iTunes or Finder because you can't get into it to authorize. Don't worry if you have the same issues. There are several ways to unlock iPad unavailable without computer or iTunes. Apple has introduced a new function named Erase iPad in iPad running iPadOS 15.2 or later version. With this option, user can use Apple ID and associated password to erase and reset an unavailable iPad without a computer or iTunes if forgotten the passcode. Also, if you have turned on Find My option in your iPad before it became unavailable, you can log in iCloud.com or Find My app with Apple ID and password in another iPhone or iPad to use it to erase iPad and get out of unavailable screen without computer or iTunes. In the follow, I'll show you the step-by-step guide to fix an unavailable iPad without a computer or iTunes. All the solutions in this video can help unlock any iPad that is saying unavailable without using computer or iTunes, which includes iPad, iPad mini, iPad Air and iPad Pro. Note that when your Apple tablet says that it's unavailable or a security lockout has occurred, you'll have to erase iPad and delete everything to regain access to the tablet. If you've had a pre-existing iCloud backup, you can restore the data from backup without the use of a computer. Now, let's start. Method 1. Unlock iPad unavailable with Erase iPad button. As mentioned earlier, Apple has released an Erase iPad function to get into a locked iPad if you've forgotten the passcode. It enables you to unlock iPad unavailable without a computer or iTunes. You just need to tap the Erase iPad button, type the password for the Apple ID you've logged into your unavailable iPad, confirm to Erase iPad for unlocking and you're done. To use this method, your unavailable iPad should be connected to a cellular or Wi-Fi network. Now, let's do it. First of all, go to the iPad unavailable screen with Erase iPad button, which will show up after 7 consecutive wrong passcode attempts. Next, tap the Erase iPad button. In the security lockout screen, tap the Erase iPad button again. Then, enter your Apple ID password and press Go on the keyboard. Tap Erase option and it'll start erasing and opening your unavailable iPad without the use of a computer or iTunes. Once your iPad has been returned to factory settings and bypassed the unavailable error screen, it'll restart and show hello screen. Take a few minutes to follow the setup assistant to set up the tablet. You can restore the data in iCloud backup in Apps and Data screen during the setup process without needing a computer. After finishing the setup process, you successfully unlock your unavailable iPad. Method 2. Fix iPad unavailable in iCloud.com. What to do when your iPad says iPad unavailable, no Erase iPad button without connecting to a computer? You can use Find My option in iCloud.com to erase the tablet for unlocking. As long as you've enabled Find My option in your unavailable iPad, it'll show up there. You can use the Erase iPad option given by iCloud to reset and fix iPad unavailable error remotely without a computer. Here's what you need to do. On another phone or tablet, type and go to iCloud.com. Type the Apple ID you've signed into your unavailable iPad and password to log in. Once signed in, scroll down the iCloud page and tap the green Find My option. Enter your Apple ID password if asked. In the next screen, open All Devices drop-down menu. Find and tap the name of your unavailable iPad. Select Erase iPad, and click Erase iPad again to confirm. As long as your phone is connected to a cellular or a Wi-Fi network, it'll start erasing your iPad and get it out of the unavailable error screen within a few minutes. Once done, your iPad will reboot and go to the hello screen. Quickly set it up and then you can get into your iPad to use it normally again. Make sure to set up an easy-to-remember lock screen passcode this time. Method 3. Bypass iPad unavailable in Find My app. If you have another iOS device that's signed in with the same Apple ID as the one you used to in your unavailable iPad, you can use the Find My app there to unlock the tablet without going through a computer or iTunes. Here's what you need to do. In one of your iOS device, find and open Find My app. If you've not logged in, you'll need to enter Apple ID and password to sign in first. Then, from the bottom of your device, tap Devices option. Scroll up to find your unavailable iPad and tap it. Scroll up from the bottom and it'll show you where your iPad is in. Scroll all the way down and choose Erase this device. When asked, tap Continue option. In the next screen, tap Erase option from the top left corner of the screen. Then, all that's left to is to wait for it to reset your iPad and fix unavailable message screen without requiring a computer or iTunes. Now, here comes ByteFurther's FAQ part. How to fix iPad unavailable with a computer. It's easy. Connect your iPad to a computer with a USB cable and open iTunes or Finder. Next, put your phone into recovery mode. Then, go to iTunes or Finder window. In the opening dialog box, choose the Restore button and select Restore and Update option. iTunes or Finder will bring your iPad back to factory settings and unlock the black unavailable lock screen. How to unlock an unavailable iPad without computer or Wi-Fi. If your iPad has been connected to a cellular network, you can use the Erase iPad button and Find My function to fix the unavailable screen without a computer or Wi-Fi. How to get out of iPad unavailable without showing timer. Use the Erase iPad button and Find My function in this video to fix the unavailable iPad lock screen without a computer. Why does my iPad say unavailable with no option to erase? Maybe you doesn't enter the wrong passcode as many times as enough. Perhaps you don't insert a SIM card in your iPad unavailable. Though, you can still follow the steps in this video to use your iPad ever again even if it says iPad unavailable without using a computer. That's all how to fix iPad unavailable without a computer or iTunes. Hope this video can help you bypass and fix the unavailable message lock screen and unlock your iPad to make everything back in working order. Be sure to subscribe ByteFurther channel to learn more tech tips about iPhones, iPads, and click another video on the screen to keep watching.